Experiment 2. To find the resistance of a given wire using meter bridge. Dear students, we have studied detailedly about the meter bridge in the theory part. So meter bridge works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge, that is P by Q which is equal to R by S. Whenever the galvanometer current is 0, that is called as a balancing point. So you keep on these things in our mind. So what is the formula we are using in this experiment is to find the resistance of a given wire. So the sum of the wire is given, the resistance is unknown. So the unknown resistance X is equal to R into L by 100 minus L into rho. So what is this 100? So the experiment is a meter bridge. The length of the wire is 1 meter. In centimeters, we can say that it is 100 centimeter. So the balancing length by the remaining length of the meter bridge. So I will show what are all the equipments or what are all the apparatus required for this experiment. So this is a very first thing. So first, what is a circuit diagram? So this is a circuit diagram. The circuit diagram has a battery, key, and the battery positive terminal is connected to A, and this will be connected to the unknown resistance X. Then there will be a gap. This is a known resistance box R. The circuit is closed. In the middle, the galvanometer, and if possible, the high resistance may be connected through the jockey. So I will show the one experiment very clearly apparatus. So already in the first practical itself, experiment itself, we seen this one. This is the battery eliminator. So this is the battery eliminator. So it is written here. Are you able to see? IC regulated power supply 2 amps. So the battery eliminator with the 2 volt, 4 volt and 6 volt. So we have to take the battery eliminator, and then this is the 5K high resistance ohm. It is a 5K high resistance which will be connected along with the galvanometer in order to safeguard the galvanometer from high currents without damaging the galvanometer. So we have to use, for security purpose, we are using the 5K ohm, 5 kilo ohm, that is 5000 ohm. There will be a box will be connected here. Okay, so this is a meter bridge. I hope you are able to see this, the end. So the length, this is the meter bridge. This end is a NDA. There is a centimeter scale with 1 meter scale, centimeter 1 is given, and are you able to see this wire? So this is a meter bridge wire. So the whole wire with the final reading 99, here is a 100. This is a end B. So there will be one small connection given in middle portion. There is a connection is called, this is a jockey. So this is a jockey. This is a resistance box. This is a 2-dial resistance box. One dial has a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to maximum 10 ohm, and another one is a 0.2 ohm. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to 0.91 ohm. So this, then already we know that this is a galvanometer. The galvanometer is a device used to detect whether the current is flows through the circuit or not. So this is the apparatus required. So I am already given the connection. Just I will show to you what is the how the circuit connection will be given. Dear students, I will show you very slowly. So this is the battery. From the positive terminal of the battery, it will be connected to NDA. So this is the positive terminal of the battery. From the positive terminal of the battery, this will be connected to the meter bridge end A. From NDA, it is connected with the unknown resistance X, and the other end of the unknown resistance will be coil, that is a given wire will be connected here. There will be a metal strip is already attached in a meter bridge. Again within this gap, the resistance box to be connected. Then the circuit will be closed with key and with the negative charge. So I will show you. So this is the point A. So from the point A, it is given as this one. Then there is a connections given with the two gaps. Within these gaps only, we are going to connect the unknown resistance. Are you able to see this? So two wires which is connected with this gaps. This is the unknown resistance wire. So this wire resistance only we are going to determine in this experiment by using meter bridge. Then there is a metal strip. Okay, metal strip. Another gap is there. In this gap, you are going to connect the, what is this? Yes, resistance box. So in this gap, we are connecting the resistance box. Then that will be connected completely to the point B. So that is given here. So from A, unknown resistance, metal strip, known resistance box, the circuit will be closed. From the in between the unknown resistance and known resistance, there is another knob is given in the metal strip. You have to connect it to galvanometer. In this circuit, it is not shown high resistance. We have to draw the high resistance also. From through the high resistance, it will be connected to jockey. So this is the galvanometer. So this is a metal strip. So between these two gaps, here the unknown resistance is connected. Here the known resistance box is connected. From the middle, we are connecting with the positive terminal of the galvanometer. From the negative terminal of the galvanometer, it is connected with 5K ohm, that is a 5K high resistance ohm. Then that will be connected to the, it will be connected to the jockey. So are you clear? So the circuit, see the circuit clearly and connect the circuit what is given in the circuit as it is. So it is very simple circuit, students. It is easy to connect. Okay. Once you connected all those things, you check that whether the given connection is correct or wrong.